What's up, everybody? When it comes to painting a car, everything matters. It's not just about how you spray the clear coat. It's your prep. It's the way you apply your body filler. It's every single step that happens way before you ever pick up a gun. This right here is a Suzuki. Doors off, sitting in primer. No base coat yet. Completely raw. And I'm showing you this stage on purpose, because this is where it all starts. Those tiny pinholes you might have missed? They're gonna show. Those little waves in your filler work that you thought nobody would notice? They're gonna show. Everything you do here, good or bad, ends up sitting right there under the clear coat for everyone to see, and that's exactly why today we're talking about orange peel. That bumpy, textured finish that looks more like an orange than glass. Because here's the thing, most people think orange peel is just a spraying problem. Gun too close, move too fast, whatever. But it's not always that simple. Sometimes it's 5 different things stacking up on top of each other, and most of them happen long before you ever pull that trigger. So stick with me, because I'm going to break down exactly why this keeps happening, and how you stop it from happening to you. Before you even think about spraying, you need to become a paint detective. Go back to your panel. Run your hand where you applied body filler, if you did. Feel for waves, feel for pinholes, feel for anything hiding under that primer. Check your filler work under good light, not just in the shade, and clean the car. I mean, really clean it. Wax, grease, dust, all of it. Because whatever's on that panel right now is what's getting sealed in forever once that clear coat goes down. Let's begin. Here's something nobody tells you about orange peel, runs, and fish eyes, and it's not always your technique. A lot of guys blame themselves every time they get a run, thinking they just sprayed it on too heavy. But sometimes it's not you at all. It's the panel. If that metal is cold, and I mean garage and winter cold, or even just early morning cold, your clear coat hits that surface and doesn't flash the way it's supposed to. Because the panel is cold, the clear can't level out properly, so that orange peel has a much better chance of staying there instead of flowing smooth. Sometimes it's just the weather. The clear stays wet longer than it should, giving gravity more time to do its job. That's when you start seeing runs around edges and on vertical panels. The solvents aren't evaporating fast enough because the temperature is too low, so the clear just hangs there instead of setting up the way it was designed to. In a spray booth, the booth helps control all of that. But if you're spraying in a garage, you've got to pay a lot more attention, especially on vertical panels. Paint products are designed to work within a certain temperature range. When the panel is too cold, everything slows down. The flash time, the flow, and the leveling. So before you even pull the trigger, check your panel temperature. You can usually tell just by feeling it with the back of your hand. If it feels cold, warm it up with a heat gun. Keep the heat gun moving the whole time. You don't want to overheat one spot. Just bring the panel up to a good working temperature. It's a small step that takes maybe a minute, but it can be the difference between laying down a clean coat and spending the next hour sanding out a run you never saw coming. All right, this is flashing off now. Give it a few minutes. Don't rush this part. This is the coat setting up before the next pass goes on. Second pass, and this is where the real gamble happens. A lot of guys think more clear equals safer, equals glossier, equals better protection, so they get greedy on this pass. And that's actually where I see most people talk themselves into trouble. See, every pass you lay down is still fighting the one underneath it. If that first coat hasn't flashed off enough, and you come in heavy on this one, you're basically trapping solvent underneath a coat that's already trying to skin over. That solvent's got to escape eventually, and when it can't escape clean, that's when you get texture, you get little pinholes, sometimes even solvent pop showing up later that you won't even notice until it's too late. So here's the mindset shift. This pass isn't about laying down as much material as possible. It's about trusting the process. Let each coat do its job, then let it breathe before the next one goes on. I'd rather walk away from a panel with 3 clean, patient passes than one panel where I got impatient and tried to rush it in 2. Your gloss is going to come from the process, not from how heavy you spray it. All right, second coat's flashing off now. Same deal. Patience. I know it's tempting to rush in with that third pass, especially when you're this close to being done. But this is exactly the moment people mess it up. Give it the time it needs. A few extra minutes now is nothing compared to sanding out a mistake later. All right, third and final pass. And this is the one that's going to decide how this whole panel turns out. By now, your first two coats have built the foundation. So this pass isn't about fixing anything. It's about finishing strong. Same distance, same steady speed, same 50% overlap. Consistency is everything right now because any hesitation, any change in your rhythm is going to show up as texture once this cures. This is usually where I see people get nervous and either speed up because they're excited it's almost done, or slow down because they're being overly careful, and both of those throw off your pattern. Just trust what's gotten you this far. Keep that gun moving smooth, keep your angle locked in, and let the material do what it's supposed to do. Once this pass is down, we're not touching it anymore. No going back in to fix a spot, no chasing a dry area with an extra shot. That's how you turn one small flaw into a bigger problem. From here, it's just time. Let it flash, let it gas out, and let the chemistry finish the job we started.